Greyhound station. Gonna buy a ticket to ride. Gonna find a lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. And right till the sun comes up and down around me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat, trying to hide my sorrows from the people that I meet and get along with it all. Where the people say, oh, sing a song with a friend, change the shape that I'm in, get back in the game, start playing again. I'd like to stay, but I might have to go and start over again. I might go back down to Texas, out to some place that I'd never been. Get up in the morning, go out at night, and I ain't gotta go home. Get used to being alone, change the words of this song, and get back in the game, start playing again. Tired of running around looking for answers to questions that I already know. I could build me a castle out of memories just to have somewhere to go. Count the days and the nights that it takes to get back in the saddle again. Feed the pigeons some clay, turn the night into day, and start talking again when I know what to say. Going down to the Greyhound station, gonna buy a ticket to ride. Gonna find a lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. And ride till the sun comes up and down around me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat, play a song for the people and me, and get along with it all. Where the people say, oh, feed the pigeons some clay, turn the night into day, and start talking again when I know what to say.